Today, we are diving into the captivating world of AI-generated art with MidJourney V6. I've curated 10 incredible prompts that will leave you in awe as we explore the latest features and capabilities of this powerful tool. Get ready to unleash your creativity and discover the endless possibilities of MidJourney. Since its release, MidJourney has taken the AI art world by storm, leaving many wondering if it's the best AI image generator out there right now. But what makes MidJourney V6 stand out from its previous versions? Well, let's break it down for you. First up, the new version boasts an upgraded resolution of 2048 by 1536, a significant improvement over the previous 1024 by 768. This means your generated images will be sharper and more detailed than ever before. MidJourney V6 also introduces a new parameter called AR, or aspect ratio. With this feature, you have more control over the shape of your generated images. For example, if you set AR 3:2, MidJourney will generate an image with a 3:2 aspect ratio, which is commonly used for landscape photography. This flexibility allows you to tailor the output to your specific needs and preferences. Now let's dive into the 10 amazing prompts that will showcase the power of MidJourney. And you can use these exact same prompts in the previous versions of MidJourney as well as the new one. We start with a simple yet stunning prompt that highlights the text-to-image generation capabilities of MidJourney. A majestic lion with a flowing mane, standing on a rocky outcrop overlooking a vast African savanna at sunset. As you execute this command, you'll witness the AI's ability to craft intricate details from the lion's majestic mane to the rugged terrain. It's a breathtaking sight that showcases the power of text-to-image generation. Next, let's explore the artistic styles offered by MidJourney. A portrait of a beautiful woman, highly detailed, oil painting, digital art, trending on ArtStation. In this command, we're specifying the desired style, which helps the AI produce an image that aligns with our creative vision. The result is a stunning portrait that blends traditional art forms with modern digital techniques, leaving us with a piece that could easily be mistaken for an actual oil painting. Let's shift our focus to the fashion industry. A stylish man wearing a tailored suit, walking down a busy city street, urban fashion, street-style photography. This prompt showcases MidJourney's ability to capture the essence of modern fashion. The generated image is a perfect blend of style and sophistication, highlighting the model's confidence as he navigates the bustling city streets. Exploring different environments, let's embark on a journey through space. A lone astronaut exploring an abandoned spaceship, futuristic, dark, cinematic. Here we have a sci-fi themed image that captures a sense of mystery and wonder. The desolate spaceship serves as a backdrop for the astronaut, creating a thought-provoking image that invites viewers to contemplate the vastness of space and the human spirit of exploration. Let's shift to a more whimsical realm, a cute cartoon rabbit playing in a field of wildflowers, soft pastel colors, kawaii art style. This prompt allows us to step into a world of cuteness overload. The adorable rabbit frolics amidst a sea of vibrant wildflowers, creating a picturesque scene that's sure to melt your heart. Now let's delve into the world of fantasy. A powerful wizard casting a spell, surrounded by mystical magical effects, epic fantasy art, trending on ArtStation. With this command, we enter a realm of magic and wonder as the wizard's spell takes center stage. The mystical elements and epic art style transport us to a world where fantasy knows no bounds. Exploring the depths of the ocean, let's dive into this underwater adventure. A scuba diver swimming with a pod of dolphins, coral reef, crystal clear water, vibrant colors. This prompt takes us on a journey beneath the waves where we witness the beauty of the ocean and the harmony between humans and marine life. The image is a celebration of the wonders that await us in the underwater realm. Shifting our focus to the automotive industry, let's take a ride with this next prompt. A sleek futuristic sports car speeding through a neon-lit city night, cyberpunk, digital art, trending on ArtStation. Here we have a high-octane adventure that merges technology and art seamlessly. The sports car cuts through the city lights, leaving a trail of neon in its wake, while the cyberpunk aesthetic adds a touch of futurism to the overall composition. Let's embark on a journey through time with this historical prompt. A Roman soldier charging into battle, epic historical fiction, cinematic lighting, dramatic. This command transports us back to the days of ancient Rome, where we witness the bravery and intensity of a Roman soldier in battle. The dramatic lighting and epic art style immerse us in the historical narrative. Finally, let's explore a surreal dreamscape with this last prompt. A melting clock hanging from a tree branch, overgrown with vines, dreamlike atmosphere, Salvador Dali trending on ArtStation. This prompt invites us to enter a world where time stands still or perhaps even melts away. The melting clock serves as a reminder of the fleeting nature of time and the power of dreams. And there you have it, folks.